Okay, so now that you've already drawn the dog, now you're going to paint it. I suggest that you carefully get a smaller brush, and if you're going to do your dog, do the outside of your dog with a smaller brush before you go to a bigger brush. I mean, if you get a little bit out of line, that's okay, I guess, but if you get too much out of it, then it's going to be a real issue. Remember, that outline here is going to really be what defines your dog. And so don't be afraid to change brushes in the middle. So now I'm getting a big brush to fill in this area, so I'm done. Now you can put a pattern or whatever you want on your dog right directly on that color. But the trick is this. You don't want to lay the color down hard. In other words, you don't want to push the color in. You want to put it on by just caking it on, right? And you can see that a lot of it's mixing. It's actually better if you wanted to like put a pattern or something, you could do that. You see I'm sort of just caking this color on. German Shepherd, because Chunya does those German Shepherds. All right, now I'm going to do background. So I'm going to get a different one. And I think I'm going to get a small brush as well. I'm going to make the background, make it purple. So I'll go around the edges with purple. Now, if you take a big brush, I think it's pretty foolish for here. Because you really, if you're going to do this today and do both, you have to think very clearly about, be very careful about what you do, because if you touch them, they're gonna, and I would think about what colors I picked. Since red is one of the colors that makes purple and it's dark, I picked that color rather than, you know, green or something that would just automatically turn brown. See, gotta be careful. See how that red got right in there? Okay. Now that I did that, now I can get a big brush if I need to and finish off the outer area. Chunya usually does his backgrounds white. I'm not exactly sure why, but here you have it. We've got an expressionistic dog. There you go. You can put that up to dry.